the key ingredient around that hypo is interest.
Oh,
And when interest is engaged, you have the possibility for sort of more traditional levels of focus or
yes.
hyper focus.
Right.
You can, hypo focus becomes kind of moot because there is something that's engaging. But also, my theory is that interest is situational. It's unpredictable
Mm,
often. The topic isn't always enough,
right.
or the desire is not always enough. In fact, I think of interest as actually being a a product that
Mm,
is created um, all the time. That it
wow.
is something that is sort of percolating and being created constantly.
That's
And
fantastic. So
what
that brings
was
in
in
the element of choice, though, because then there's not this powerlessness over attention or inattention, focus or unfocus. The interest can be developed if the person chooses. Does that sound right?
yes,
Okay.
yes, and it's not a switch.
Right. Right.
It is developed.
Yep. Yep.
So oftentimes, and then it's really beginning to understand, well, what is it that you want that allows the interest to continue and to expand?
Hmm.
And sometimes it's very different than, again, just saying, okay, I should be interested in this. Well, I want to be paying attention because this will is a means to some end. If I do well in this class, I'll be able to do X, Y, and Z. Well, you actually, for many of us, we actually have to cultivate and engage that and remind ourselves that that is what we're wanting, and so forth. So yes, it's actually a practice to learn how to develop and engage and cultivate interest, which when it's present, um, it's in my opinion, ADHD symptoms, what we think of as negative results, dissolve. And, I mean, it's only a symptom if someone has a problem with it. And it's
Right.
only a symptom, in truth, if you as an individual have a problem with it. But if you keep running up against these problems and challenges in other situations, then, that's where choice comes in. And you
Right.
can say, well, I'm not liking what's happening here. Do I have any power? Is there any way that I can take a choice around this and change the result I've been getting?